Hi everyone, today I have a big package. It's so big, I'm sure you have some problem. You are not seeing me because I bought some yarns from an online shop, and I want to share them with you. It's a local shop, but I want to share the yarn I will use. Maybe you can give me some ideas about them, how to use them. And Mishpink wants to say hi to with his tail. And if you are ready, I will start immediately. I'll just it's so heavy, and that's enough, I think. First I buy some paper yarns. I think this one is 400 or 500 grams between them, and this one sit here, just sit here, Misha, just sit here. I think this one is 400 or 500 grams, between 4 or 500 grams, and it's like $5. And I like the color. I don't like to use the paper yarn very much, but I have to because it looks good. And the last one I used was so plastic, and it hurts my fingers very much. But this one not look like that. I like this. It's soft. We will try this. I can make hats and bags, summer bags with them. And I have more. I have a soft cream or yellow. So beautiful color. And I have cinnamon. It's brown or cinnamon. And that's a regular paper yarn color for me. And we can use them a lot of place. Just leave comments below, okay, if you think another piece. And I have these ones. I'm so excited about them. These Raffia yarns. I will try this Raffia yarn for the first time. This one. It's not a thicker one. It's a little thin, I think. Okay. I think they fold it. Yeah, it's actually not this thin. Whatever, I can use it like that. And I like the color again, and I can make. I have an idea about making a summer hat with raffia yarn. It will be a kind of this girl's hat. Maybe you see this N with an A series on Netflix. I really like her hat very much. I made one for my daughter, and I made one for my daughter's doll. I can make one for you. And one of this one is more than $3. $3.50 maybe. And this one's paper yarns again. Oh, I thought this one will be more soft than this. You know, I sometimes use soft paper yarns. That's not soft like that. That's a kind of even same softness, hardness with this yarn as a regular paper yarn. I'm not sure if you can find these ones on Etsy. Maybe you can. I will look Etsy, and if I could find these ones, one of them, I will share the link below. Okay. I don't remember this one's price. Sorry for that. Oh. All difference. I will show this one first. This one is we call it candle yarn. I don't know how you call this one. You can make bags with that. You can use, maybe you can use this one with macrame. You can make souffles, table mats, plate mats with this one. I like the color, so I wanted to buy it. And this one is $2 or maybe a little more than $2. And Raffia yarn again. This one is thicker but softer. I think, yeah, it's softer than this. One of these is $3.50, and that's a nice color, and that's a nice brown. I'm not sure if you can see, it's a nice color, and it's not so hard to use. I think that's beautiful. And macrame yarn, these ones has some shiny pieces on it. You can see from here. We can make so chic clothes or tote bags with this. I buy a lot of from these shiny ones. I think one of them is $2. And as I told you, there is more. If you have an idea how to use them, you can share it with me. Please leave comments, as I told you before. Maybe you can even make a rug with these yarns. And I have these ones. And it's all of them, these ones too, $250. grams and 200 meters. And this one's polyester. This one's too. It's all polyester. Let me look if there is cotton. No, all of them polyester, but they are soft and not so synthetic. And this one is soft macrame. Name, you can see the name here, is soft macrame polyester. And I am using this, buying this for the first time. And I really like it, like this feeling, especially from this one. I must tell that's a kind of heart. This is, you can feel a synthetic feeling from this one. I think that's because this shiny piece, I don't know its name, but that's not bad also. But I like this ones more. And I must fix something. This one is $2. This one is $2.50 maybe. This is cheaper. And that's also soft macrame yarn. What a beautiful color. I'm not sure if you can see properly. It's so beautiful. And that one is cotton macrame. I found one more raffia yarn, and I think that's a kind of different. It looks like a different color, but it's not. I will put it here too. And I have this ones left. I told you I have a lot of polyester macrame. That's all polyester macrame. These ones. And oops. These ones. I hope you like these colors. It's I know that's autumn colors, but I like these colors very much. And I have cotton macrames. This one's cotton macrames, and they are softer and they are not so thick. I bought another one before, and it was so thick and I really don't like to use it very much. And this one is thinner and easy to use. I think that's good. And nice colors again. And I have one last thing to show you. Just a second. By the way, these cotton macrames are $1.50. And these ones are macrame yarn again, but it's twisted macrame yarn. I'm using this macrame yarn with the hooks, but you can use this making something with your fingers and with making them making some knots, macrame knots. I could try to make some macrame bags, or maybe some dream catchers. We can try this. So I buy this yarn, and that's all. I hope you like all these yarns, and I hope we can make a lot of beautiful things with them. And I hope you like this video. If you want, I can make more videos like that. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Since Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest and website address. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.